The Pininfarina modular EV concept, based on the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette, takes America's most famous sports car and reimagines it as a pure electric performance machine with an Italian design twist. The low, wide stance is unmistakably Corvette, but Pininfarina's influence smooths and sculpts every surface for maximum aerodynamic efficiency without losing the aggressive edge. The front end features a clean, grille-free face with a sharp LED light signature, deep air channels for cooling, and a subtly reinterpreted sharp nose that hints at speed. Along the sides, the sculpted bodywork flows into prominent rear haunches, giving the car a muscular, planted look, while the rear is dominated by a full-width light bar, integrated aero fins, and a functional diffuser. Underneath, this Corvette rides on a high-performance electric modular platform, packing dual motors, one for each axle, producing over 1,000 horsepower. Instant torque rockets the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, while advanced traction management keeps all that power usable whether on the street or the track. The battery is mounted low in the chassis for a near-perfect center of gravity, improving cornering precision and stability at high speeds. Active aerodynamics, including an adjustable rear wing and underbody air channels, adapt in real time to balance downforce and drag. Range is around 320 miles in everyday driving, but thanks to ultra-fast charging, 80% can be restored in under 15 minutes, meaning track days and road trips won't be cut short. The adaptive suspension system can switch from a firm, razor-sharp track setup to a more compliant ride for long-distance cruising, making this EV Corvette surprisingly versatile for a supercar. Its unique selling point is its modular nature, something rarely seen in high-performance sports cars. Elements of the bodywork, aerodynamic components, and even performance modules can be swapped or reconfigured, allowing the car to be tailored for